Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cooking for One Cookbooks Easy is probably one of the most rewarding ways to elevate your solo dining experience. It's all about creating delicious, perfectly portioned meals without the fuss of leftovers or the pressure of cooking for a crowd. Join me as we dive into some fantastic cookbooks designed to make cooking for one not just easy, but also incredibly enjoyable. Number 5. Blue Zone's Kitchen, 100 Recipes to Live to 100. Have you ever wondered how people live to be over 100 years old? This book reveals the secrets of the blue zones, where people live the longest, healthiest lives. It offers delicious recipes inspired by these communities. Inside, you'll find 100 recipes designed to promote longevity and well-being. These recipes are based on the traditional diets of the blue zones. They are easy to make and full of flavor. The recipes are inspired by the diets of the blue zones. This includes places like Okinawa, Japan, and Sardinia, Italy. The book helps you bring these healthy eating habits into your own kitchen. This cookbook isn't just about recipes, it's about a lifestyle. It teaches you how to eat like the world's longest-lived people. Following this guide can help you improve your health and potentially extend your life. The book offers a variety of meals that are both healthy and delicious. It focuses on plant-based ingredients, whole grains, and healthy fats. You'll enjoy every bite while nourishing your body. What we like. This cookbook is all about eating for a long and healthy life. It features recipes inspired by the blue zones, where people live the longest. If you are looking for delicious, plant-forward meals that promote longevity, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The recipes hail from the fabled blue zones, places like Sardinia, Okinawa, and Nicoya, where people somehow outsmart death while making meals that are surprisingly low on kale but high on flavor. It's filled with vibrant, plant-based dishes that make you realize beans are not just a side dish, they're the main event. The recipes, easy to prepare and delicious. Number 4. 30-Minute Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. Are you looking for a healthy and delicious way of eating? This cookbook is your guide to the Mediterranean diet. It offers a variety of recipes that are both easy to make and packed with flavor. With 101 recipes, you'll find plenty of options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Each recipe is designed to be quick and easy, so you can enjoy healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Every recipe can be prepared in just 30 minutes. This cookbook is perfect for busy individuals and families who want to eat well without sacrificing time. The recipes are not only easy and quick, but also incredibly flavorful. It focuses on fresh ingredients and simple cooking techniques to create dishes that are both delicious and good for you. Embrace a lifestyle that promotes lifelong health. This cookbook provides the tools and inspiration you need to adopt a healthy eating pattern that you can sustain for years to come. What we like. This cookbook offers a taste of the Mediterranean in under 30 minutes. It's packed with flavorful recipes that are also incredibly healthy. If you are looking for quick, healthy meals that fit into a busy lifestyle, then you should definitely consider this one. What people say. Everything I have made from this book has been easy and quick to prepare and really tasty. The instructions are very easy to follow and they even tell you where to find things in the supermarket people don't usually buy. Each recipe is clear and easy to follow and true to the name of the book, taking 30 minutes or less to make. Number 3. How to Cookbook for Teens, 100 Easy Recipes. Are you ready to learn how to cook? This cookbook is designed for teens, offering 100 easy recipes to get you started. It covers all the basics, making cooking fun and accessible. Inside, you'll find a variety of simple recipes. This book provides step-by-step instructions, so you can create delicious meals with confidence. It's perfect for anyone new to the kitchen. This cookbook teaches you essential cooking skills. From breakfast to dinner, you'll learn how to prepare a wide range of dishes. It's a great way to build your culinary foundation. With 100 recipes, there's something for everyone. The book includes recipes for snacks, main courses, and desserts. You'll never run out of new things to try. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your cooking skills. This cookbook is your guide to becoming a confident cook. Grab it and start cooking today. What we like. This cookbook is designed to teach you the fundamentals of cooking. It breaks down recipes into easy-to-follow steps, perfect for beginners. If you are a teen or someone who is just starting out in the kitchen, then this is the ideal cookbook for you. What people say. My son loves this book and uses it often. He has become quite the chef. Love this book, great starter for kids teens. I love how the book also has definitions and picture. For example, the difference between chop and mince. Bought for my 12-year-old granddaughter. I think it's the most brilliant book for learning to cook. So much useful information as well as recipes, and each recipe marked if suitable for people with different dietary needs. Number 2. 5-ingredient college cookbook, recipes for college life. Are you a college student tired of ramen? This cookbook is your guide to easy, delicious meals. It features recipes with only 5 ingredients, perfect for busy students. This cookbook simplifies cooking without sacrificing flavor. It provides a variety of recipes, from breakfast to dinner, all using minimal ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions. It's designed to help you eat well and save money. You'll learn how to create tasty meals without spending hours in the kitchen or breaking the bank. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a survival guide. It helps you navigate college life with confidence, one delicious meal at a time. Get ready to impress your friends and nourish yourself. This cookbook is a perfect tool for any college student looking to eat well and live well. What we like. This cookbook is a lifesaver for college students on a budget. It features recipes that require only 5 ingredients, making cooking simple and affordable. If you are a college student or someone who wants to cook delicious meals with minimal ingredients, then you should choose this one. What people say. I don't know how many total recipes are in this book, but as compact as it is, in size, there are a fair amount. I love the simple recipes with simple amount of ingredients. Beginner cooks of all ages will benefit from the concise cooking, prep, pantry, and cookware tips. Many fast, simple, healthy recipes for people short on time but tired of eating out. Number 1. Ultimate Cooking for One Cookbook, 175 recipes. Are you tired of cooking large meals and having leftovers? This cookbook is designed specifically for you. It offers a collection of simple and delicious recipes perfect for single servings. Inside, you'll find 175 recipes that are incredibly easy to follow. Each recipe is designed to minimize prep time and cleanup, so you can enjoy a tasty meal without the hassle. This cookbook understands the needs of a single person. It provides portion sizes and cooking instructions tailored for one, ensuring you get the perfect amount every time. Part of the Ultimate for One Cookbook series, this book is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook for themselves. It's a great resource for everyday meals and special occasions. Explore a variety of recipes, from breakfast to dinner, all designed to be quick, easy, and satisfying. It's the perfect way to enjoy home-cooked meals without the stress of cooking for a crowd. What we like. This cookbook is specifically designed for cooking for one. It offers a wide variety of recipes perfectly portioned for a single serving. If you like the convenience of having recipes tailored just for you, then this is the cookbook you need. What people say. The recipes are in line with the recipes I've used for larger, regular batches. The instructions are very well done. These recipes include nutritional information. Plus, since they are small batches, they have built-in portion sizes and I'm not tempted to eat too much. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.